Long-lasting durability. Goodklife metal slitting circular blade. Goodklife metal slitting circular blades are specifically engineered for cutting metal coils, offering exceptional durability and a service life far exceeding conventional blades. Crafted from premium high-alloy tool steel and subjected to rigorous processes including vacuum quenching and precision grinding, the blades feature high edge hardness, exceptional wear resistance, and chipping resistance. They maintain sharpness over extended periods, significantly reducing blade replacement frequency and downtime to enhance production line efficiency and cost savings. Each circular blade is individually packaged in a premium custom wooden case, providing comprehensive protection against impacts and wear during transportation and storage. This ensures delivery in pristine factory condition, suitable for diverse metal slitting applications.